Have you ever wondered why your stomach suddenly growls when you're hungry? It's not just asking for food. Something interesting is happening inside your body. Your stomach has strong muscles that are always working, even when it's empty. They create wave-like movements called peristalsis. These waves push leftover food, air, and digestive juices around. When your stomach is full, the sound is soft because food absorbs most of the noise. But when it's empty, those waves move mostly air and liquid, and that makes the rumbling sound we all hear. So a growling stomach doesn't mean anything is wrong. It's simply your body staying active and preparing for your next meal. A little grumble is just a sign that your digestive system is wide awake and doing its job. Fun fact: this rumbling can also happen after eating. Your stomach keeps moving food along your digestive system, but we just notice it more when we're hungry.